this morning, a big announcement means you can expect a lot more highway construction on Interstate 44 in West Tulsa. We don't know when, but we do know where.
2 Works for You reporter Gitzel Puente is live along the interstate to show us the bridges that will be replaced finally. Gitzel.
Lisa, Scott, well, this bridge here on Union Avenue over I-44 is one of those bridges that will be replaced by ODOT. Now, this I-44 is one of the oldest intersections here in Tulsa that hasn't been upgraded in more than 50 years, but ODOT is changing that. They have come up with a plan and made this design here showing what changes will be made with that money. And those improvements are replacing the bridge on I-44 over 33rd West Avenue, the bridge here on Union Avenue that we showed you, and over Highway 75. More than 2 miles from I-244 to the Arkansas River will be completely reconstructed, hoping to solve a heavily congested area and make it safer for drivers. Right now, the pavement on I-44 is rated fair to even poor, and the bridges are not in the best shape. With more than 84,000 vehicles passing through I-44 every day, ODOT has made reconstruction projects on the interstate a priority. ODOT is planning to formally announce this $45 million award that it received by the U.S. Department of Transportation this Friday. Reporting in Tulsa, Gitzel Puente, 2 Works for You.